Alright, they drive past my house every day, Mission Brake Light there. Like, still, hear that there? I'll get closer just to show you how ridiculous that is. Keep watching. You still hear it? I'll get closer. They go past my street every fucking day. Alright, every few minutes. This is what you hear, and I've shown you how many times. Oh, they've opened this up here. Where'd they go? There, down here. Oh no, they're parking. Yeah. Ask him. He's a little happy, he's got glasses on and that. How's it going, buddy?
Wow.
How come the car crackles like that? What happened to the car?
What do you mean?
It explodes like a bomb's coming out the back.
Yeah.
Is that the way the car's designed?
Oh, I got it tuned and all that stuff, so...
Okay, so when you drive it bangs like that. That's the way it's supposed to be.
The way that it's tuned, it's putting more fuel than oxygen into the exhaust.
Okay, yeah.
So it's making it bang like that. That's
okay.
It's the fuel lighting. That's what it is.
Oh,
yeah.
So it's the fuel lighting, because I've been seeing them everywhere lately. Yeah. Is that like a trend or?
Some people like it, some people don't.
So,
some people fucking hate it.
I thought it would be illegal, because if you're at night and you're driving, it's illegal, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
I got a button.
Yeah.
I got so it's straight.
Yeah.
My exhaust is straight.
Yeah.
But I got two mufflers on the back.
Yeah, yeah.
I press a button, it'll open it.
Oh, okay. Alright, so then it goes quiet. Yeah, I was thinking that, because you know why? Because at my house, right, it's always, you know, bang, 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 bang. Yeah. But I noticed when they get far, it turns off. You don't hear it anymore.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Thanks, so man. You're a legend.
On my street, I just press the button.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright, you seen these guys? Alright. Damn it. Alright, this is Caroline Springs Shopping Centre. I handle getting in the truck right here. Police station across the road. Alright. Is the security gonna be here? I know what that handler wants. Part 7 of Boston. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I want too. Alright. Alright, security's not here. Any space here for me? Yes, there has. I'll park here. Alright, no stalkers in their cars. Alright, so no assignments were done when leaving my house. So I decided to show you the noise campaigner, right? You can see the large mufflers and how it's timed when they go past my street, right? And yeah, they do that by pressing a button and it opens up the mufflers, right? So yeah, as you can see right up ahead, you can see the door's closed, and that's what they're going to use when heading back to my car. Around 15 minutes later, you see how the workers are used, right? And yeah, again, this video is going to be short because I still have to show you part 7 of Boston and hopefully you understand to what I'm saying there. So you keep watching and showing me heading back to the car, and you're going to see how it's timed. Keep watching. Alright, keep watching. Is security going to be there? I can't see him as I was walking here because I can see him on the top floor when I'm walking towards the parking lot, but yeah, I can't see him. You watching? Alright, so no, they're not, looks like they're not using this car here. But yeah, we'll see if any stalkers are close to the car. Alright, so this is where I'm freezing the video and I'm zooming it in, and as you can see, the worker's opening up the gate, and when I get close, my camera will stop recording because every half hour it stops recording and then it places a file and then it starts recording again every half hour. And it managed to happen right when I'm about to speak to him. But he said he didn't open up the gate, but as you can see, he's opening up the second gate, and the first car you're going to see drive out is a red car, like I showed you, the noise campaigner with the large mufflers. They press a button to noise campaign. Right, so as you can see, the workers opening up the door, and the last time they used the workers, they were waiting for me to head back to my car, and he actually said it, right? And hopefully you would have seen that video not long ago when they used the workers, the last time they used the workers, and it shows you how the target's on watch the whole time. So you keep watching. Once I get close to the worker, it will skip because, like I said, every half hour it skips.
throughout around 3 seconds so I can place the file, but it managed to happen right now. But you'll hear me saying it in the card that he said he didn't open up the gate, right? But again, you can see how it's timed and how he's bullshitting as well, right? So you keep watching, play it now, and again, it will skip around 3 seconds. Keep watching.
Yeah, they just opened it now. Right now, they just opened it. They're using the workers. They ain't new security. I'll tell them. You just open. Oh, nah. I've got to leave. Is that okay? Yeah, he just opened it now. He just opened it now, red car as well. You can see he didn't want to say yes, but it's all about the timing. There you go. Alright. I was guessing security, but nah, this time they don't use it. They use the workers right here.
And again, it's important to connect the dots to my work to understand to what you're seeing happening worldwide. A large percentage of the population in each city worldwide are working for the state. So yeah, this is where I'm going to end it, showing you my targeting, but keep on watching the continuation of Boston, part 7. Keep watching.